Hi, this is Patrick Rourke with MarineMax in Clearwater. Today we're going to take a quick look at a 2018 Boston Whaler 280 Outrage. This boat is powered by twin 300 Verados. We do have the optional white Verados on here. Blue underwater LED lights. Stepping into the cockpit. Great aft seating. Nice fish box. Fiberglass T-top. At the helm we do have the vessel view as well as a stainless steel helm. Nice full windshield. Large head. New design for 2018 was the forward seating. Opened up a lot more space for everyone, as well as a very large seating compartment. Large garage storage. Once again, we're just taking a quick look at a 2018 Boston Whaler 280 Outrage. My name's Patrick Rourke. Feel free to give me a call, 813-909-5064. See if we can't get you out on the water for the summer. Talk to you soon.